take a look at these. These are raspberry cheesecake cookies. It's a copycat recipe from the Crumble Bakery. If you've got one near you, you know they're really popular. They're really expensive, but there's some really great copycat recipes out there. So I've made the cookies already. I thought I would show you just a couple of hints on how to decorate them with tools you already have in your own kitchen. So one of the best ways I think to decorate this style cookie is to use a Ziploc bag. So I'll start first by telling you a little bit about the cookies themselves. The recipe I'm gonna post in the comments is solid. It's very, very good. I was a little bit doubtful because there's a lot of flour and there's a lot of graham cracker crumbs. Trust it, it's excellent. These are not gluten-free, but you could absolutely make them gluten-free with gluten-free graham crackers and flour. So once your cookies are done baking, and I did use the extra large scoop to portion the dough. You need a big one if you want it to be kind of like the copycat version of the bakery. Your frosting is simple. It's powdered sugar, cream cheese, and marshmallow cream. In our area, it's fluff. I grew up on this stuff, making peanut butter and fluff sandwiches. Really, really easy ingredients. So take it, put your frosting into a Ziploc bag, trim the tip, and here's how you can decorate them. So if you've got kids that love to learn how to decorate cookies, you can do this with them. The key is to apply even pressure over here. You start to do the swirl from the center of your cookie, and you want to leave a little bit of space as you swirl because the frosting will relax a little bit. So if you want to see those ridges, that's what you'll want to do. So even pressure, and then you're going to go almost to the edge. You can see I didn't make a perfect center there, and that's it. So let's do one more. Start in the middle, even pressure, and I think a cookie like this is enough for 2 people. I can't eat a whole one of these. So if you prefer to be able to eat a whole cookie because then you feel like you ate a whole cookie, use a smaller scoop. I wanted to make them like the bakery. Okay, put it upright when you need to set it down so it doesn't leak everywhere. And then you're gonna do the same thing with a Ziploc bag for your raspberry preserves. I just have a seedless raspberry jam that I'm using. Put it in a Ziploc bag and then mush it with your hand. Just kind of smash it so you don't have any chunks. I've got a little corner here that I have snipped, and you wanna make this corner kind of fine, okay? And then we're just gonna go ahead and add a drizzle right over the top. I think the color of that raspberry against the cream cheese frosting is just stunning. And I think these would be perfect for a birthday party or any kind of family gathering. Just really beautiful. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to decorate these. So take a look at all of the different tools I carry for making cookies easy. I did use the deluxe stand mixer. One of the keys to having great cookies and having them have the right texture is to make sure that when it says to cream the butter that you actually do it. And our presets on the stand mixer is pre-programmed, so it'll be exactly the right consistency each time. So check out the stand mixer and the scoop. And of course, I baked all of the cookies on a baking stone. So when I bake on the stones for cookies, I do put the stoneware in the oven while the oven is preheating and I'm mixing up my dough. Put your cookie batter on your stone and you're gonna pull it out before it's very dark. So about 11 minutes is all it takes for this recipe. Let them sit on your stone for 2 minutes for those sugars to solidify and then move them to the cooling rack. Those are some basic tips for amazing cookies. And before you know it, you're gonna be making beautiful cookies just like this. I hope you'll give them a try. Thanks for watching.